So the last in this series for the screenshots using different APIs and all. The last one is using the robo class. Okay, robo is nothing but it's a class from AWT that is that is one of the main features that was provided by Java with its very first version, introduction of its very first version. um, and we call it as abstract windows toolkit. Okay, so I'm going to create a robo object. So this is how you create a robo object, and I'm going to name it as a robo. So you need to import it. If you see that you this is basically from the java.awt, that is abstract windows toolkit. And once you have this, I'm going to create a couple of strings here. I don't have to, these are optional, but I'm just creating this. I'll save format, the format that I want to save as png format, and the second one is the file name. Again, these are absolutely not necessary, but if you want to create it upfront, it's absolutely perfect. I will say a result underscore or result hyphen robo. Okay, dot, and I'll just pass the format. So once you have that, this file name is relative to where actually this class is existing. Okay, so basically it will be under the screens. It will save that result under the screen. So once you have this, the next thing that you have to do is that there are a couple of classes that we will take advantage of in the AWT. Okay, for that the first thing that we will do is that using the rectangle, what is the spelling, TANGLE GL, I don't know. Okay, let me see if I did that. Yeah, it's from the rectangle. So make sure that you are not importing it from the Selenium, you are importing it from the Java AWT. So once you have imported that, there are a couple of I think more than a couple of overloaded methods. Okay, this is with no parameters, and this is with dimension, this is with point, this is with the rectangle parameter, and so on and so forth. So right now we are going to take the help of rectangle with the dimension, because if you see, this constructs a new rectangle whose top left corner is with 0 0, and whose width and height are specified by the dimensions. So the dimension is nothing but it specifies width and height. Okay, so we are going to take advantage of that. If you see, there is nothing in the dimensions. Okay, there is nothing in the dimension. If I say that, there is no static method, so it's not that we are going to use the dimension class here, but we are going to take advantage of how we can get these dimension methods. I mean, a method that returns dimension. Okay, for that, I'm going to take help of a toolkit. The basic toolkit, if you hover on this, you will see that, okay, it's not showing anything right now, but if you see now, we are going to get the default toolkit. Okay, once you have got the default toolkit, then you can get the screen size. The screen size gives you in terms of pixels. Okay, and also returns you a dimension. So we have got the dimension now, and I will take this into, why I'm missing n. Okay, I'll say just rect. Okay, that's it. So we have got that. Okay, we have got created a rectangle with a dimension, and the next thing that we have to do is that using the robo class, there is a method inside robo class that we want to use. Let me see, create screen capture. Okay, so we want to basically create the screen capture, and if you see, it returns a buffered image. So you take that screen capture and see that it's suggesting the rect, and we take that, and because that it has returned buffered image, right, I'll just say buff img something, some random name. Okay, and I have to import this. And after this, it's pretty much same the way that we have done for the last two videos. It's almost the same. You have to take advantage of image IO class, and it's again from the AWT, and inside that we have right, I'm sorry, image IO is not from the AWT, right? uh, and it's from the JavaX, and we take advantage of the overloaded write method. It's again up to you, whatever that, but because that we have already created format file and everything, let's take advantage of this. So I'm going to pass the buffered image, and I'm going to pass the format, and for this I have to create a new file, and inside that I'm going to pass file name. All right, and yeah, that's all. We have to import the file. Okay, let me, as usual, I don't like these spaces, so let me do this. Okay, I have formatted that. Now don't be surprised to see what you are getting, because this is not the way that you should be getting screenshots, but I am just explaining you that there is another way using the old robo class. Okay, right click on this and try to run as Java application, and it will launch. Yep, there you see, it has closed. Okay, now if I refresh, you will see it inside the screens. You see this, and again, as I as I told you earlier, do not take the result as granted. Okay, this is yeah, yeah, it has taken screenshot, right? That is what we were after, but not exactly what you were looking for. So that is the way that you use a robo for you to take screenshot. Hopefully it should come as some help. Maybe in the future you might get stuck, you can take advantage of this, but for now that is all regarding the robo. And in the next videos, I'm going to take you through some of the more advanced concepts in a shot, taking the screenshot of a particular element. If you have to remove some locators and take the screenshot, compare different screenshot, and all those we are going to discuss in the coming videos. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to post those in the comment section. Leave your feedback. If you want to learn anything new from me, if you want me to create videos on some other interesting concepts, please again leave those in the comment section. And thanks for watching the video.